When it comes to building an AI chatbot, developer friendliness is one of the most important factors to consider. But with so many platforms out there, how do you decide which one suits your needs the most? In this video, we'll compare Dialogflow and Botpress to see which platform is more developer friendly, and by the end, I'll even share a better alternative that's definitely worth checking out. So, stick with me to the end. Let's start with Dialogflow. As one of Google's offerings, Dialogflow is a robust platform that integrates seamlessly with other Google Cloud services. It's known for its natural language processing capabilities and intuitive interface. But here's the thing, while it offers a lot of power, it can get pretty complicated when it comes to advanced customization. Developers have to dive into the Google Cloud Console, configure APIs, and deal with service accounts, which could be overwhelming for newcomers. Plus, if you want to implement more complex features, expect to spend a good amount of time on setup and configuration. Next thing, let's talk about Botpress. Botpress is an open source platform that promises more control over your chatbot development. Developers love it for its modularity, meaning you can fine-tune and customize every part of your bot. You have full access to the source code, so you're not locked into a specific framework or pricing model. However, while it's great for customizability, it comes with its own challenges. The user interface might not be as smooth or beginner-friendly as Dialogflow's, and the learning curve can be steeper for those not already familiar with bot development. You also have to host it yourself, which means managing servers and ensuring uptime. The third thing to consider is ease of integration. With Dialogflow, Google makes it simple to integrate the chatbot into multiple channels like Google Assistant, Facebook Messenger, and more. However, getting external APIs to work well with Dialogflow can sometimes require extra effort, especially if you're looking for deep integrations. Botpress, on the other hand, shines here with its flexible, modular system that makes API integration simpler for developers who are comfortable with custom code. But again, the process can be more manual and requires a bit more coding experience than Dialogflow. Now, let's talk about pricing. Dialogflow offers a free tier, but if you're working on a project that requires more robust features, the pricing structure can get a bit costly. While it's clear that Google's infrastructure and premium features come at a price, the value might be worth it if you're already within the Google ecosystem. Botpress is open source, so it's free to use, but if you want additional features like cloud hosting or advanced analytics, you'll need to subscribe to their paid plan. So, while Botpress has a lower starting cost, the pricing model can get complicated once you start needing premium features. The fourth thing is the community and support. Dialogflow has a huge community and access to Google's support system, which can be a huge advantage for developers looking for resources or help. However, some users report that the support, particularly for more complex issues, can be slow. Botpress, being open source, has a smaller but highly dedicated community, and if you're comfortable with reading through documentation and troubleshooting on your own, it can be just as effective. However, without the official support team that comes with a paid platform, you're more on your own. So, after trying both Dialogflow and Botpress, which one is more developer-friendly? Well, both platforms have their strengths. Dialogflow is great if you want easy integration with Google services and a simpler user interface, but you might find it lacking when it comes to deep customization and flexibility. Botpress, on the other hand, gives you more freedom and control over your chatbot, but at the cost of a steeper learning curve and more complex setup. That said, if you're looking for a chatbot platform that combines the best of both worlds, ease of use, powerful features, and flexibility, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. It offers a better solution for anyone wanting to build an AI chatbot that's both developer-friendly and powerful. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, which are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Try it now.